Hello guys. Nandito na naman kami. Kumusta na? Nandito na naman kami. Nag-walking po. Ito yung daily routine nila. And then, hindi tayo busy ngayon. Kasama po ako. So, nandiyan si na Mami, si Uncle Lito. Jam Jam! Say hi. And then, may kasama kaming Vietnamese guys, friend namin from Vietnam. Meet! Ano po to? Yes, say hi. Yeah, that's your friend.
Kim Jang Song.
Okay. Ito yung kasama natin na from Vietnam po, guys.
I'm Kim Jang Song.
So, how's Vietnam, sir?
Okay.
Is it okay?
We have a nice weather here in Vietnam.
Oh, what can you say about here?
It's okay. Also a nice weather here.
Oh, I see. You have a very nice hat, sir. Huh?
I think this one came from Vietnam.
Oh, I see.
Hello.
You're looking good, sir, huh? You're looking good, sir, huh?
Vietnam is peaceful.
Wow. He's a nice guys from Vietnam, sir. Guys, look at him. See? Unya dyan, guys, walang pakialaman dito. Yeah, yan ang friend natin from Vietnam. O, tingnan nyo, guys. O, sinusundan natin yung Vietnamese na friend natin, guys. So, see? Yan. Ang ganda ng hat niya, See? Ayan. You're snob, sir. You're snobbish. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So you're doing this every morning, sir?
Yeah, this is only my second time just because I arrived the other day.
Oh, I see. You live here around Pasadena, sir?
Yeah.
Oh. By the way, I forgot your name. What is your name, sir? Your first name?
Kim Jang Song.
Oh, that name is look like famous in Vietnam.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh.
Ambassador in Vietnam.
Oh, I see.
And easily came here in USA.
By the way, sir, I'm a Filipina.
Some of the official here.
Oh, so I think Philippines, if you don't mind, sir, I'm a Filipina, and I think Philippines is very close to Vietnam, isn't it?
Yes.
So yun, guys, yung friend natin na Vietnamese, he's a nice guy, and but it's look like snobbish, very snob siya. Pero okay lang. Yes, it's okay lang dyan, anak, na talagang hot kasi nga nag-walking tayo. So kaka-arrive niya lang daw 2 days ago, and I think he lives around here in Pasadena also. So yun, yeah, I forgot the name. Alam ko yun. Hey, sir. By the way, I forgot your name. What's your name again? Kim Jong Sun. Oh, I see. What is your last name? Xiong? Oh, I see. So you live around here in Pasadena, sir?
One month.
Oh.
Next month.
Oh, I see.
Next month to Vietnam.
Oh, you're going back to Vietnam?
Celebrate my Valentine in Vietnam.
Oh, I see. Oh, you're it's my pleasure to meet you, sir. You're very nice, and I know you're sir, mostly Pilipinas. Hello guys. Alam nyo ba, nako, talagang habang naglalakad kami, kasi nga, 'di ba? Naging busy tayo doon sa friend natin na Vietnamese na ini-interview. At the same time, habang naglalakad kami, nandyan na para parating na rin yung dalawang babae. Papalayo pa lang, nakikita ko na, parang something curious ako na, parang kilala ko to, sabi ko. Tapos habang papalapit na, isang Hollywood actress guys, nakasabay namin dito na naglalakad. Simple lang siya, kasama niyang alalay niya, si Sandra Bullock, Hollywood actress guys. Kung kilala niyo yon. Nung wala siyang makeup, napakasimple niya. Kasi pag may mga makeup yung mga, di ba yung mga actresses, iba yung mukha nila sa TV. Pero pag sa personal at wala silang makeup, simpleng-simple lang sila. Saka hindi mo mamamalayan dito guys, yung mga artista talaga, kasi parang ang tingin mo sa kanila lahat white. So hindi talaga ako nagkakamali kasi nagkatinginan pa kami, sa totoo lang. Habang naglalakad kami dito sa Rose Bowl. So dumiretso na siya doon. Tapos pagtalikod niya, sabi ko, asawa ka Hollywood actress yung nakasabay natin dito na sabi ko, naglalakad. Hindi mo talaga kasi talaga mamamalayan guys yung mga tao dito. Malay mo ang nakakasabay mo na pala yun ang mga sikat na. Si Habi hindi niya nakita kasi nga busy nga na nakikipag-usap. Pati si Mami rin dumaan siya sa harapan niya, hindi niya rin namalayan. Para alam ko dito si Sandra dito lang nakatira yun sa Pasadena. Kasi dito sa Pasadena guys, sa totoo lang, yung mga multi-billionaire na mga tao dito talaga nakatira sa Pasadena. Yung mga old talaga na original, kasi ang Hollywood, Beverly Hills, binuulang yan, ito lang. Hindi kagaya ng Pasadena, ito na yung talagang dati noon na parang Beverly Hills to. Kumbaga sa Hollywood, sabi nila, sa Beverly Hills mga nakatira dyan, mostly mga artista. Pero mga mayayaman na mga datian na talaga, dito sa Pasadena. So, dito sa mga around Pasadena, dito area, dyan sa mga taas ng bundok, yung mga lalaking bahay dyan, baka isa sa bahay niya dito sa Pasadena. So, umaga pa lang dito, kaya siguro baka wala siyang ginagawa, naisipan niya kasama niya yung alalay niya para hindi halata. Pero ikaw, kung talagang ikaw nakikita mo yung mga actress dito sa US, talagang makikilala mo. Hindi sila masyado makikilala dahil nga pag wala na silang makeup, iba na, parang simple lang sila. Ganun lang. Sige, exercise yan. Oh, yan. Gondo. Yung anak ko nag-exercise, oh. Kasama si Lola, ganun, oh. Oh, sige. Say hi ka. Yan, ganyan, gumaganon. Ayun, ganyan. Ganon ka, oh. Hindi, ganyan lang, ganyan. Yan lang, ganyan. Oh. Ganyan. Ganda, diba? Yan din si Lola, oh. Oh. Tingnan nyo guys, Isa pa. Dito sa number 1 dito, oh. Oh. Huwag kang mahal yan. Ganon ka. Ganon ka, oh. Ganon. Marcha, ganon, oh. Marcha, ganon. Marcha, ganon, oh. Oh. Ayun yung friend na pala natin, nakalimutan natin yung friend natin, Vietnamese, oh. You know, friend natin na Vietnamese, ayun.
When life hurts and the battle chooses you, when unexpected challenges appear on your doorstep, remember this: life is not always easy. In fact, some of you are going through the toughest season of your life right now. But here's the truth: it's worth fighting. It's worth believing. Even when it feels like everything is falling apart, you must muster the strength within yourself to stand up and keep fighting relentlessly. Never give up, because your inner strength and determination are worth it.
Sometimes, the best thing you can do is not think, not wonder, not imagine, not obsess. Just breathe and have faith that everything will work out for the best.